to see why my 08 Tahoe is making some crazy noises while I'm driving. One second, we'll get into it. Well, not sure if y'all seen it, but it definitely has some play in it, which is not good. So we're going to take the tire off and go from there.